The customer said it was noisy! Off! Lard thunder. You know, for all your apprentices out there, when she's squealing like that, you just gotta spit on her. Hey, right on. It looks like it replaced its own pulley, its own belts, greased the bearings, and now we should be good. One way to tell if the motor pulley is the problem, please don't just adjust the motor so that the belt is tighter. No. The motor pulley inside the groove, these spots should be totally flat for the V of the belt to make contact with that groove. This is a version of me from the past showing you the pulley that I put in has no gap. The belt will have full contact on this pulley. And if we look at the old motor pulley, I can feel it, but for a visual representation, can you see the gap underneath my Allen wrench? That's supposed to be totally straight. Huge gap. The other sign is that this was hot to the touch. The belt was slipping so much on the motor, the friction was causing this to get hot. So, man, on. Get to the chopper! Oh, get down! Oh shit, that was big. Hell yeah. Yeah, sir, she is quiet now. Yoo-hoo!